Hello, Yellow 4. This is our remote learning activity for December 1st. And here we go. It's our countdown. It's our Christmas countdown. So for this activity, you are going to need the paper strips that are in your learning packet. The ones that say Christmas is here and have the little stocking pictures, as you can see them right in that picture. So go get them. And you're also going to need glue sticks. So go, go, go. You got them? Perfect. So after that, I need you to organize the strips by numerical order. So let's start with Christmas is here, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, just like George did in that picture. And after that, I would like for you to glue the ends of the one that says Christmas is here. So you're going to glue the ends, you're going to make like a circle. And then you're going to take the one that has number 2 in it. You're going to put it through the one that says Christmas is here. And you're going to glue the ends, just like in the picture right there. Okay? Here is Daniel, and we work together, and he learned how to use the glue and how to glue the ends. So help each other and teach each other how we can glue the ends, and we can make a chain together. Now at the end, you're going to repeat this process for all 12 strips, and at the end you're going to have a chain, a big chain. And then when the 12 days of Christmas, the 12 days before Christmas approach, you're going to start cutting or breaking each chain and tell each day how many days are left before Christmas. All right? Christmas and the holidays are a great opportunity to show how much we love and how much we care. And here at Valeska Hilton, we love you so very much, and we are very thankful to be part of this community and that we are part of your family. Awesome. A big hug. Be healthy and be safe. Bye.